March 2026 Bengaluru, on the occasion of World Obesity Day, a significant healthcare initiative aimed at addressing the growing challenge of childhood obesity was launched in Bengaluru. Rainbow Children's Hospital has officially introduced a dedicated Weight Well clinic at its Marthahalli unit, a comprehensive clinic designed to support children struggling with obesity and weight-related health conditions. The launch of this specialized clinic marks an important milestone in pediatric healthcare as experts across the country raise concern about the increasing number of children affected by obesity and metabolic disorders. The clinic was inaugurated by leading pediatric specialists including Dr. Rakshai Shetty, Clinical Director, Pediatric Services Head, Pediatric Intensive Care Services, Marthahalli, along with Dr. Lavanya Api, Consultant Pediatric Gastroenterology, Dr. Tejasvi Sheshadri, Consultant Pediatric Endocrinologist, Lead Pediatric Diabetes Program and DST Services, and Dr. Piyush Prakash, Unit Head, Marthahalli. The inauguration ceremony took place in the presence of senior clinicians, hospital leaders, and healthcare professionals, emphasizing the hospital's commitment to preventive pediatric care and early health intervention. Observed globally every year, World Obesity Day highlights the urgent need to address the rising burden of obesity across all age groups, particularly among children and adolescents. Experts say that rapid urbanization, sedentary lifestyles, and changing dietary habits are major contributors to the increasing prevalence of childhood obesity, especially in urban regions of India. According to medical experts, nearly 1 in 5 urban children today is either overweight or obese, a trend that raises serious health concerns for the future. Children with obesity face a significantly higher risk of developing conditions such as hypertension, fatty liver disease, metabolic disorders, and long-term cardiovascular complications. Healthcare professionals warn that diseases like diabetes, which were once considered adult-onset conditions, are now increasingly being diagnosed among children and teenagers. Speaking on the growing concern, Dr. Lavanya Api, Consultant Pediatric Gastroenterology, emphasized that childhood obesity can lead to multiple metabolic complications that affect both the physical health and overall quality of life of children. She highlighted that if obesity is not addressed early, it can result in chronic health conditions that may persist into adulthood, placing a long-term burden on families and healthcare systems. The newly launched Weight Well Clinic has been designed as a multidisciplinary program offering a holistic and personalized approach to weight management in children. The clinic will provide detailed evaluation, diagnosis, and treatment for a wide range of conditions related to unhealthy weight gain and metabolic health. These include management of childhood obesity, endocrine evaluations for complications such as diabetes mellitus, hypertension, thyroid disorders, and polycystic ovarian syndrome. The clinic will also assess gastrointestinal complications including constipation, metabolic associated steatotic liver disease, and other digestive concerns that can arise due to obesity. In addition, specialists will conduct liver health assessments, screening for obstructive sleep apnea, and other related conditions that may affect children experiencing excessive weight gain. A structured weight management program will be implemented for every child, including customized nutrition plans, physical fitness guidance, and behavioral support. Medical experts at the clinic will also evaluate the need for pharmacological treatment when necessary, including medications that may support weight reduction and metabolic control under specialist supervision. The Weight Well Clinic brings together a diverse team of healthcare professionals, including pediatric endocrinologists, nutritionists, physiotherapists, pediatric gastroenterologists, and child psychologists. By working collaboratively, these experts will design individualized treatment plans tailored to each child's medical condition, growth pattern, lifestyle, and nutritional needs. Another key focus of the clinic is parental education, empowering families with the knowledge and tools needed to support healthier lifestyles for their children. Doctors believe that family participation plays a crucial role in helping children maintain sustainable lifestyle changes, including balanced diets, regular physical activity, and healthier daily habits. Speaking at the launch, Dr. Rakshai Shetty, Clinical Director, Pediatric Services Head, Pediatric Intensive Care Services, Marthahalli, stated that obesity is becoming a major public health challenge that must be addressed at an early age. He explained that the clinic will adopt a comprehensive approach where specialists from endocrinology, gastroenterology, and nutrition work together to carefully evaluate every child and develop a personalized treatment strategy. Treatment plans may include lifestyle modifications, structured exercise programs, dietary adjustments, and when required, medical therapies such as modern anti-obesity medications. Under expert supervision, doctors and healthcare staff will closely monitor each child through regular follow-ups, ensuring long-term progress and sustained improvements in overall health. This initiative also reflects the broader mission of Rainbow Children's Hospital to strengthen preventive pediatric health care and promote healthier futures for children across India.